Hello everyone. In this video we will see how we can publish our project to UiPath Orchestrator. So let's start with the project. Let's open the UiPath first. UiPath Studio. Let it open. So we'll create a small process and then we will publish it to Orchestrator. Waiting for it to be open. Sometimes it takes time because it updates the package versions. Okay, so just click on the process. We'll start with a blank process. Give it a name. For example, say hello. Meanwhile, we can see the package folder. So once you click on Orchestrator, you can click on tenant, and then you can click on packages. So all the tenant feed packages, we can find them here. Let's drop here a small message box activity, and let's say here hello. Save it and run it. So it will show us a message box. Hello. It is getting compiled. Okay, it is saying hello. So now we can publish it. We can click on publish. It is validating for any errors. Okay, so here we can mention the project version. Okay, this will be our package name. And here you can mention the release notes. If you want to mention any text, that you can mention here. And for example, you can say first version of process. Say hello. Something like that, some informative release note. Then you can click on next. Here you will get three options. So first option will be for tenant feed, which I showed you earlier. Let me show you again. So when you will click on tenant, you will get a folder here, that is packages. So this is the tenant feed. Then you have second person workspace feed, that is here. So if you want to publish package here to be used in your admin automation, that you can do from the second option. And the third option is for the custom one. So here with the help of this one, you can save the package in your local folder somewhere in your personal system that you can use. So let us select tenant here and then click next and then publish. So you'll see that the package will be available shortly. So it says publish successfully. Click OK. Now you can come back to your orchestrator. You can click on tenant and your package will be available here. Okay, say hello. Now you can use it in your process. So you can come to the particular folder where you want to use it. You can create a process using the package that we will see in some other video. So that's all for this video. Thank you for your time. Bye.